Do you ever feel that your mornings are running you instead of the other way around? Here's the thing, a good morning routine isn't just a productivity hack, it's a game changer. Let me show you how to start yours today. So why is this happening? Most people, they treat their mornings like something they just have to get through. So if you're anything like me, you know all about what I'm talking about. The alarm goes off, you hit snooze, you get some quick breakfast, you take a shower, and then you just rush out the door. And guess what? You're already stressed. But here's the thing, the way you start your mornings really set the tone for the entire day. So, what's the whole fuss about having a morning routine? Let's break it down. Without a routine, you're reactive. You are responding to the world around you instead of starting your day on your own terms. And this will inevitably lead you to feeling overwhelmed, stressed, and basically not your best self. But when you take control of your mornings, everything shifts. You will feel more focused, more productive, and ready to tackle the day. A morning routine isn't just about waking up 5 a.m. and doing everything perfectly. It's about waking up with intention. It's about setting the tone for the rest of the day. Even small habits can create a momentum that lasts the whole day. Let me show you how a simple morning routine has worked for me and countless of others. Just think about high performers like CEOs or athletes. All of them swear by their morning routines. Remember, this is not about being perfect, it's just about consistency. For me, my mornings used to be rushed and stressful. It was basically just as if I had to get through the mornings to get to the next point in my day. But after having read the book, The 5 a.m. Club by Robin Sharma, which is a brilliant book by the way, highly recommendable, I finally understood the power of a strong morning routine. However, what I did wrong was to try to fill my mornings with all the things I wanted to do to get ahead in life, and it ended up stressing me out. So this is what I've done instead. I would recommend to just start with something very small, like drinking water, stretching, reading for 10 minutes, or moving your body. When you have then built one simple habit that you do first thing in the morning, it's much more easy to build another one and perhaps another one until you feel like this is the best morning routine for me. The key is just to keep it simple and build momentum instead of overwhelming yourself and making the same mistakes that I did. If you have already built a morning routine and are looking for inspiration to improve it in some way, I will share mine. What I do first thing most mornings is that I do breathing exercises for 10 to 15 minutes. I really like the idea of changing all of your oxygen in your body first thing in the morning because it gives me a clear head and I just feel more energized. Then I go out in my living room and I move my body for 3 to 5 minutes. Just some simple movements just to get my blood flow and my body going. Think about it, you've probably been lying in your bed for 6 to 8 hours like this, and it's really not a good position for your body. So this is very essential for me and it's a non-negotiable. And then we get to the highlight of my morning. Reading. I usually read for 15 to 30 minutes every morning because I believe that knowledge is power, and I really like to challenge my brain and learn new things because it makes life much more interesting. So this is another non-negotiable for me. Then, if I have time, I will journal. Journaling was one that was difficult for me to get into because I felt like when I was writing, I was just wasting my time because I was not writing anything useful. But after some time, I realized that this was actually helping me. It helped me to get my thoughts out on paper, and either if they were negative, I just let them go, but if they were positive, I kind of cemented it, and it really set the intention and the tone for the rest of the day. So this is one I really wouldn't be without. And again, just start small. Tell yourself to just write one phrase or one small page, or even just for 2 minutes, because when you're started, you will be much more inclined to just keep going. But again, this is not for everybody to stack habits on top of each other like this. This is the morning routine that works for me personally, and the thing is that you should create the one that works for you. I would recommend you to make 1 or 2 things as a non-negotiable. Like I said, of all of these things, breathing, moving my body, reading, and journaling, I have 2 non-negotiables. That is moving my body because this is so essential for how I'm feeling, and it is reading because it's essential for me to expand my knowledge. This is something I don't want to be without. So these are the two things I do every single morning, and when I have more time, I will do the whole morning routine. Just pick the habits that make you feel good. It could be drinking water if you don't drink water in the morning. It could be meditating if you never tried that. Or it could just be enjoying your coffee without distractions. Just keep it simple. It's about consistency, not perfection. But here's the thing. Treat your morning routine like a priority. Just 5, 10 or 15 minutes can do an immense difference. It's your time to prepare for the day ahead. If you're still unsure, let me leave you with one simple thought to put this whole thing into perspective. Your mornings set the tone for the entire day, and a morning routine can help you feel calmer, more focused, and more energized. Start small, be consistent, and watch how your days and life starts to change. What's one habit that you would like to add to your morning routine? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It would really help me a lot. And see you in the next one.